Hello everyone, my name is Mansi and today I'm gonna telling about particles of matter constantly moving. So what are the characteristics of particles of matter? First, the particles of matter are very small. The particles of matter have spaces between them. The particles of matter are constantly moving. The particles of matter attract each other. Now let us understand that how particles of matter are constantly moving. With the help of diffusion and Brownian motion, we can prove that particles of matter are constantly moving. First, we will describe one experiment which involved diffusion in gases. So you can see a dhupatti in my hand. When we burn an incense stick, say dhupatti, in one corner of the room, its fragrance or the pleasant smell of it spreads in the whole room quickly. This can be explained as follows: the burning of incense stick produces gases or vapors having pleasant smell. These particles of matter, gases produced by the burning of incense stick, move rapidly in all directions, mix with the moving particles of air in the room, and reach every part of the room quickly along with the air. There are several examples that show particles of matter constantly moving. First, the smell of food being cooked in the kitchen reaches us even from a considerable distance. The smell of perfume spreads due to the diffusion of perfume vapor into the air. When we shout loudly, a person standing far from us can hear it as the sound propagated through the air. Sound travels when its vibration passes from one molecule to another. So we can say that particles of matter are constantly moving. And let me tell you another example, like dissolution of a crystal of potassium permanganate into a glass of water. The solution turns pink. So now we can say that the particles of matter are constantly moving. Thank you.